This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at how you can protect your XE-A307 register from overrings. So as standard on the machine, all the department buttons are totally open, there's no limit to the value of the sale you can put through. So it's very easy, as you can see what I'm doing, to ring through incorrect quantities which then need to either be voided, refunded, or you end up with reports that are incorrect. So what we're going to show you is the 2 steps to lock the buttons so that you can't have crazy amounts of money put through. There's 2 steps, as I said. I'm going to show you neither of them are difficult, but one of them's hidden away and it isn't obvious you need to do it. So I'm going to start with that one because probably the second one you can kind of figure out yourself. So basically, of the 2 steps, the easy bit is to decide the value that you want each button locked to. So you can lock a button to be £1, to be 99.99. It's entirely up to you, and it's really obvious how to do it, which is one of the improvements they've made on this machine. But I'll start with the other bit, which is basically for some reason you have to activate the Halo high amount lockout function. It's not on the machine as standard. So we'll do part 2 to start with, and then we'll have a look at part 1 later in the video. So all programming is in the PGM mode. So to access that, it's mode 6 TLNS, and then down to setting, and then we're looking for, I think it's line 8 optional. Yep, into there, and then basic system. Now within here there's an option for the Halo function. Halo function, and as standard on the machine it's set to invalid. So to activate it, all you do is press #TMST, the subtotal button, arrow up to valid, TLNS, and then TLNS again. That's now saved, that's activated the function. So if you've already set the Halo limits within each department and you're wondering why it wasn't working, that's probably what's wrong, so you don't need to watch the rest of this video. But if you haven't already set your Halos on your departments, I'll show you how to do it. We can press escape cancel once more, and then arrow up, still in the PGM mode, to article, into department, and then we're going to program department 6. I'll start with, I've already had a mess around with the other ones. So department 6, let's start with that. If you actually click up, you stay on department 6 and you jump straight to the Halo because it's the very last option. So you can see the default setting is all the 9s. So I'm going to set this one to 99.99. That's it. Then jump to, sorry, that was department 6. Save that. Arrow up. I'm on 7, so I'm going to set department 7 to be £50. So on the old style cash registers, the way the Halos worked on those, if you're familiar with older machines, you had to choose the number of digits, so it got a bit confusing. So 3 digits was a limit of 9.99. But these ones you can just literally go straight in and type whatever Halo you want on there. So that's £1 for department 8, which seems low, but it's up to me, isn't it? It's my till. So you can, if you get one wrong, it's so easy to go back in and change it if you decide, you know, that's too low, or I want to set it even lower. It's easy to do. So the way, I've now got to remember what I've programmed in. So if I try and put £10 into department 6, I'm expecting that to work, but if I try and ring through £100, that won't work because I've set the limit to 99.99. So you clear that, so that stops the massive overring. Obviously it doesn't stop every overring, but it stops the crazy ones. So then I also did department 7 at £50, so 49.99 will go through department 7, but £50 and 1p won't. £50 will actually go through because that's the limit. Yeah, that's right, I didn't need to do the 49.99. And then my other department I set to £1 limit, so 99p will go through department 8, as will £1. But if I ring anything over that, then it won't work. So the idea really is to give you, stop the craziness, stop any silly overrings going through, and then like naughty refunds and that sort of thing. But obviously have a play around with it. You can see how easy it is. The thing that's hidden away is the activating of the Halo. The setting the Halo is obviously fairly straightforward, but if you don't know that the halo function needs activated. I've had people on the phone before saying they've set it all up and everything, but then they didn't know about the activation of it. So hope that video has been helpful and instructional. We've got plenty of other videos appearing on tips and programming tutorials on the XE-A307 and other Sharp registers, so you're welcome to watch those, some of which will appear on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.